Prime Minister and senior BJP leader Narendra Modi has said that there is exceptional fervor in favor of the NDA in southern states. He was addressing an election rally at Jagiali in Telangana today. Union Health Ministry Additional Secretary Lamchangkoi Switchangan Changsan has stressed on multi-sectoral planning in fighting against dengue. He was addressing the dengue conclave today in New Delhi. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today skipped at someone in money laundering case linked to alleged irregularities in the Delhi Jal Board. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the first ever Formula 4 car show, which was held on the bank of Dal Lake in Srinagar, will further help showcase the beauty of Jammu and Kashmir. The 3-day Startup Mahakumbh, one of the biggest events showcasing the startup ecosystem, began at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi today.